Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Fetch. We're back. I was on a brief vacation, so videos were there, and I think we had some very interesting videos. So if you have not seen them, check those out. But in this video, we'll talk about Fetch. All right, Fetch has been massively bullish. Basically, like we got a little bit of a pump last Monday. And since then, we've been incredibly strong. All right, we're up 60%, which is pretty crazy. But there's multiple reasons for that. We'll talk about that. We'll do a full analysis just in general on Fetch. What I expect. I am bullish again on Fetch. All right, the one level, like if you still remember my videos and my thoughts on Fetch, like for me, the main level, like if you really zoom out to the 3-day time frame, the main level for me was this level right here around $1. Right, super strong key level, as you can see, psychological level, and then you also have the 200 EMA there. Like that really was the level that needed to hold, first of all. So when we broke down below that, I was bearish, but then I said, you know, if we can actually reclaim that, that's extremely bullish, and then we can be bullish again. So now, you know, on the 3-day time frame, we haven't broken that. On the daily time frame, we have, so that makes me bullish. But I have some other thoughts, some other thoughts on that, so we'll talk about that. And we will do a little bit more of a long-term analysis, I think. Also, the Signal group, even though I was gone on vacation, was still active, all right? Still posted trades, still made quite a lot of money. And this morning, I also posted a signal on Fetch, a long signal. It's a bit of a pullback, but if you're interested in that in general, consider joining. Links will be down in the description or the pinned comment. So check that out. It's not necessary. I'll talk briefly about my idea in this video as well for free. But still, if you want the specifics and if you want to be updated, consider joining. For now, let's get right into it. So there's multiple things. I mean, first of all, the market right now is stronger. So obviously that helps. The thing is that if you say it like that, then you would almost say like Fetch, what it is doing is not impressive. That's not true. It is still one of the top gainers, as you can see. Well, not in the last 30 days, excuse me. But last 7 days, it's still in the top 3. It's top 2 even. So that's incredibly bullish. And what you see as well is that in general, AI is doing quite good. It's not necessarily doing that well right now, but then if you scroll back through the days, like a majority of the days, like this is basically narratives. You can see. In majority of the days, it is in the top 3. You can see some other AI coins like Render had a massive breakout right here. WorldCoin is trying to do something here. Tau is relatively bullish as well. So AI is, I wouldn't say it's back, but it's starting to gain some traction again. So fundamentally, that's why I'm bullish on Fetch. I also, well, the technicals are obviously why I'm bullish on Fetch, but I spoke about that at the start of the video. And then last of all, it also seems that the market maker of Fetch, who shall not be named, is pushing some of their coins. All right. So in general, fundamentally, I'm very interested in Fetch. The thing is, and then we're also gaining quite a lot of momentum, but you can already see that on the chart. All right. You don't need to see the open interest right here to know that we are bullish. But so that's interesting. But the thing is that I do kind of expect some sort of a pullback. For Fetch, there's a lot of resistance right here between 1.32 and 1.4. What I expect is that we will retest this level right here between 1.2 and 1.1, potentially even $1. That depends a little bit on the strength of Bitcoin. Like if Bitcoin gets a deep pullback here, we might touch $1. That's a possibility. But the pullback I do expect, all right? No coin rallies forever. Now, Fetch does have a history of rallying forever, so it is always a possibility. But at some point of time, it's going to get a brief pullback, I expect. I do think the markets will stay bullish, so it will stay with a brief pullback. But for now, I would say that level around 1.4 is the level to pull back. Get some sort of a pullback into 1.2, 1.1, and from there, consolidate, and then eventually continue its bullish momentum. I would say up to something like 1.65, but probably higher as well. But that's the conservative first price target. 1.55 even. 1.55, 1.65. But those are my thoughts on Fetch for now. All right, so if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.